XLOOKUP function is the improved version of the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. It is used when you need to find things in a table or a range by row. So let's look at the syntax here. We could say equal to XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP, now we have our lookup value, and we'll say this is our lookup value, A1. So now what makes the XLOOKUP even better is because instead of the entire table, we have the lookup array and the return array. So we are not interested in looking up the entire table. We basically can easily say what our lookup array is and what our return array is. So our lookup array is easily the area from which our lookup value is, or coming from our table. In this case, is going to be coming from B here, okay? It's going to be coming from B to B on this table. So you see, it is correct that we reference the FIFA sheet, right? This sheet, the FIFA sheet, then B to B. So this is the correct reference. So these are lookup array. So then comma, then the return array is basically from this table we want to have a return. We could say we want to return from C all the way to start and end contract, okay? So we want to return from FIFA 21 raw data version 2, then C to I, okay? So let me explain this very well again. We have our XLOOKUP function. We have our lookup value, which is A1 on sheet 1. Then we have our lookup array. Our lookup array is from where our lookup value is coming from our table, our data table or data set. Then our return array is what will be returned on search, right, from our entire data set. We can basically stop there, but if you look at the syntax, you'll find now that we have other stuff in block braces. So we say if not found. So we could say comma, if not found, we'll put it like this and say not found, or we could just say yes, let's use not found, and we close the bracket and hit enter. So you see we have zeros here because this search item is our lookup value is empty. So if we search for Messi, Messi, and hit enter, you see we basically have the correct value for Lionel Messi coming out. That is, he's from Argentina and so on. So if you come here, you see that everything is correct. Lionel Messi was searched for, then we have Argentina, we have territory, and so on and so forth. So let's make this more appealing. I'm going to be inserting a new row. Then I'll copy this from name up to, I think, start and end contract so that it's clear what we are doing. Then we have it this way, right? Okay. So if I search for, let's look at this name, J.O. Black, right? I search for J.O. Black. I should have the corresponding details for J.O. Black up until where I say the return array will be. So let's search for J.O. Black, okay, and hit enter. Okay, so why is it that we don't have result here? Because the formula is not here. So if I autofill this down, I'm going to have the details for J.O. Black. All right.